Hello, hello. Welcome to Suffolk and Norfolk Fishing. And it is so sunny. I should have my glasses on really, but they're down front. What a beautiful morning. It is almost mill pond out here. Saddest thing, I haven't seen anyone else. But I'm gonna go sit inside Harwich Harbour, go and sit just offside the channel, and I'm gonna have a go for some rays. Give it a good couple of hours, and then and see how we get on. Here's the little fishing town of Harwich over there. Just while I am standing and filming, I have got my kill cord attached to a slightly longer rope, just in case the worst happens. Lost the dogfish at the side of the boat. Got a bite on there. And that's had this bite here. And this feels a bit better. So it feels better. I've only had the dog and this really. There's the Stena Britannica. Stena Britannica going back. And it is another dog, wrapped up in the tide, but ooh, tell you what, that is very welcome aboard. That little dogfish, incredibly welcome aboard. Beautiful fish. Well, I think they're beautiful. A lot of people get annoyed with them. Shark-like. So strong, it's a ball of muscle. And that lizard-like eye as well. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Dogfish. And there's the, as he goes back, there is the newly reinstated harbour ferry that sank in the storms, must be, I don't know, 5 or 6 months ago, and been a big working party and big fundraising effort to get that going, so it's awesome to see that old traditional service keeping going. You've got the small harbour ferry and the big. I wonder where that's off to. Holland, Holland maybe. There you go, the boys on Real Obsession. They are off to they're off out to the towers, go for some hounds. They'll have a good day out there. They absolutely fly out on that thing. And little whiting's just turned up. Can't grumble. Hopefully that means fish are starting to get on the feed a bit. That's the whiting bite there. Really distinctive. Just they get, as soon as they'll take the bait, try and swim off, give a real distinctive sort of flicky vibration type bite, and then almost just sit there for a little while, just wondering what's going on. But no, my luck, it'll come off on the way in now. Just wait for it to have a little kick again, and I'll wait for it to have a little kick. I think it's there. I think it's just first, so don't mind. See that little fish, little whiting, gave that bite. Wish him farewell. See you, bye. A little whiting, and that I think probably would be about a quarter of a fish finger. Possibly a dog. Yeah. Decent doggo. That'll make you laugh. That's quite a good shot, that. Of how it would be sitting on the base bottom of the seabed. Really well camouflaged. Not camouflaged with the bottom of the boat, obviously. He's a bit of a scrapper, this one. Again, there's half a metre of fish. Those eyes. Cool fish. Seriously cool fish. I've got the last of my baits out now. It's just getting towards lunchtime, so I am going to head home, but it's been an absolutely fantastic morning out on the river. Weather's been almost perfect, really. I mean, yeah, there is a wind, but you can't really grumble about it. Whiting, dogfish, good bit of sport, nice and easy. Just going to have a tidy up of the boat, get back on the trailer and head home. I'll see you again.